The best smartphones available are those made by Samsung, which have a distinctive design that is easy to identify. Typically, Galaxy S Ultra phones have a more square shape with sharp corners, whereas regular Galaxy S phones have rounded corners. However, the Galaxy S25 Ultra may deviate from this pattern. If Tipster Ice Universe is correct, Samsung is making their phones more comfortable to hold. It's unclear, though, if the corners of the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be rounded or if they will be sharp. This is in contrast to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which has corners that can be uncomfortable and dig into your hands if you don't use a case. In any case, it seems that Samsung is working to resolve the problems with the Galaxy S24 and S25 Ultra devices. We should find out more about the next phone's design before the end of this year, and it will likely be unveiled early in the following year. Samsung may employ MediaTek Dimensity processors on the Galaxy S25 phones, which are scheduled to ship in January of next year, according to a startling report from Korea. This implies that certain Galaxy S25 phones may also include MediaTek Dimensity processors, maybe with the Dimensity 9400, in addition to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and Samsung's own Exynos 2500 processor. Should this occur, the next Galaxy S25 phones may include 3 distinct chipset variants tailored to certain countries. But as of yet, this is uncertain. The reason behind this move is due to Qualcomm's projected price hike for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and the poor production success rate of the Exynos 2500. The rumor simply says that Samsung could do this, not that it has made a final choice. The Snapdragon 8 Gen may cost as much as $260 per unit, while the 8 Gen 3 is expected to cost between $190 and $200. Currently, the Exynos 2500 has a production success rate of roughly 40%, while mass production requires a rate of 60%. By August, Samsung hopes to have this improved. If the Exynos production rates remain low and given the price of Qualcomm's next chip, it may make sense for Samsung to put MediaTek in the mix. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.